Now we'll look into method count. So please note I'm saying method because now we are going to use the dot operator. So let's first start with the string. So let's say we have a string hello, and if we say hello dot count, and if we want to count number of occurrences of say letter L, so we will say count L. So this will give us 2 because there are two L's in this string. So what count is doing is it is counting the number of occurrences of a particular element. Same thing we can do in a list. So say we have a list 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then again say we have 2 comma 2, and now we say dot count and 2. So the output would be 3 because there are 3 occurrences of number 2 here. Okay. Similarly, we can use count on tuple. So say we have this tuple. Okay, and we will say dot count 1. Okay, so we are checking how many times letter 1 has been repeated in this tuple. So the output would be 1. Please note that dictionary and set does not support count. So if you will try to use it, it will throw an error. I'll show you quickly. So suppose you have this dictionary and then you say dot count and say anything. Say you want to see how many times a or 1 has been there. It will simply say attribute error, that attribute count is not applicable for object dictionary, or dictionary object is no attribute count. Similarly, it will show through the same error if you will use count method on the set. Okay,